Today I balance the flywheel. See, after I finish the drilling of unbalanced area of the flywheel, now I spin for the final spin how the reading result of my works. So now I spin the flywheel. Balance only for the flywheel. Okay, see the result. Wow, very nice. For this, the left side, the flywheel area, this area, 0.01 gram in grams with the RPM of 600 with a tolerance of 20. Now the computer tell us balance the tolerance. Perfect balance for this flywheel with the using of this machine, CWT Industries. Here only at www.asurits.com.my, or you can message down below the video, comment, and I answer your question, or you can come here at Jalan PGS 11/8 Bandar Sanwe. Thank you very much for watching my video for the flywheel balance.